We'll start off by creating a new route, verify email route.js. Then we'll head on to import JWT from JSON web token. Then export const verify email route. Yes, equals to an object with path be /API/verify -email, comma, method will be a put method, put, comma, then handler will be an async function which takes request and response as arguments. Then we'll bring down an arrow function, change this period to comma. Then first by creating a variable const verification string equals to request.body const result will be equals to await. First of all, import my user model. No, I don't want to import it this way. I'm just going to copy something from previous and paste here. Yes, user.find1. Open an object and put our verification string there. What we're trying to do, we're trying to go through all the documents and look for which particular ID has this verification string that's coming from the payload. So if the result is not positive, return response.status401.json with a message. It's a function with a message. And we'll now type what we want to be displayed to the user. Email verification code is wrong. That's if it's wrong. If the result is wrong, then we'll create another variable const if underscore ID, set that to ID. You know, in MongoDB, ID variable starts with an underscore. Then info, set that to result. Then await user.update1 will find by ID. Oh, yes. Then put comma. Then the second object will be the set flag. Create another object is verified equals to true. What we want to do, we're going to sift through the database and update the particular ID that matches with the verification string. We'll update the document there. So we'll now head on to jwt.sign. Set the ID email, set if is verified to true, and the info. Then we'll now add the process.env.jwt secret. Then we'll set the expires in to 3 days. Then we'll do the callback function, error token arrow function. If there's an error, return just res.send status 500. If there's no error, return res.send status 200.json with a token object. Yes, so format your document, then it will import your route to the routes array. Copy, come here, add it below. I think that's all for this video.